A Greensboro migrant site for teenagers is scaling down operations. The site had been in the works for years. WFMY News 2's ITN's McMiller learned more about what's next.
The federal government says the Greensboro Children's Center, meant to house unoccupied migrant children, is ramping down its operations just 3 months after announcing the site was active. In March, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services said the site was in operation and ready to take children. But now the Office of Refugee Resettlement is saying that as of last week, the only activity going on is solely facility upkeep. We are unaware of what activity was going on before last week, but according to officials, no children have been in its care at any time. A neighbor shared his confusion about the changing plans.
I thought it could be a good thing if it was providing aid to children that are out on their own, without knowing exactly why. In general, I said it's a shame if they're not going to be able to provide aid to some people or some children who need it. I wish they still could.
The center is meant to be an overflow facility for migrant teenagers who cross the border illegally with an adult. It's able to house 800 children. Back in March, some neighbors voiced concerns about neighborhood safety and whether it'll impact property value. Now hearing that the site is not taking children, some neighbors told me it's a sense of relief, while others are hoping the children will have a safe place to go. Refugee Resettlement says it will give the city an 8-week notice if they decide to resume operations and accept children. We've reached out to several lawmakers to find out if they know anything about this newest development. We're waiting to hear back. In Greensboro, ITN's McMiller, WFMY News 2.